Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming you have an Apple ID and iCloud set up correctly. Sign in to Settings on your iPhone or System Settings on your Mac. Tap your name and open Family Sharing. You must be the family organizer to purchase Apple Music Family Access. Family Sharing supports up to 6 family members on one plan. Make sure each person has a unique Apple ID to join the family group. Send invitations and ask members to accept them on their devices before continuing. Open the Music app or go to your Apple ID subscriptions to start a family plan. Choose Apple Music Family and follow prompts to subscribe with your Apple ID. The family organizer must provide the payment method for the plan. Apple Music Family costs $4.99 per month and covers up to 6 family members. Confirm billing details and complete the purchase using your existing Apple ID payment method. After subscribing, the music catalog becomes available to accepted family members instantly. Ask invited family members to accept the family sharing invitation on their devices. They should sign in with their own Apple ID and follow the accept prompt. Once accepted, members open the Music app and sign in to their Apple ID if needed. Each member gets full Apple Music access using their personal profile and libraries. The family organizer can manage members and subscriptions under Family Sharing in Settings. To remove a member or change payment, open Family Sharing and update the family group settings immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.